Hi, in front of me is Lenovo 10e Chromebook, and today I would like to show you how you can select and delete multiple photos at once. First of all, you need to open Photos app and select Photos or Library on the left. When you're ready, hold one of your pictures that you wish to get rid of. And to pick multiple right away, use those type of dots at the top left corners. To exclude some of your pictures that you wish to keep, click on the chosen ones. And to delete the rest, tap on this bin at the top right corner. Lastly, confirm your choice in the pop-up. Then select Allow in the second one. As you can see, after that, all of my pictures were successfully deleted. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment, and subscribe. Bye!